Dr. McDaniel. I'm the new principal here at New Highland Elementary, and we are excited for this upcoming school year. We have some changes, but we're also looking forward to implementing all of the policies that we have already in place. We are looking forward to new staff that we have brought on board that are very dynamic and lively, and we are excited about continuing our academic excellence as well as ensuring that all of our children are felt loved and supported throughout our building.
Hi, my name is Autumn Jones. I'm the assistant principal at New Highland. We are so excited to be celebrating open house today, where our families and our students are coming in to get acquainted with the teachers, to see their classrooms, also get transportation information, and also get some necessities from our Frisk coordinator.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sharon Conley. I'm the school-based therapist for New Highland Elementary. I'm with Cumberland Family Medical Center, Healthy Kids Clinic. We offer here at the school school-based therapy. We also have a school nurse. We also have target case management also for our families who qualify. So this is the services that we offer our children. Therefore, it's very convenient for the parents because we also have a nurse practitioner that comes to the school. So I'm hoping that you all will enjoy our services and partake. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Miss Carrie, and I'm the cafeteria manager at New Highland. And handouts I'm giving out today are a full menu for the month of August, where a little piece of paper where you can scan for myschoolmenus.com, where you can see our whole menu at any time for any of the schools. And then if you want to sign up for my school bucks, where you can add money to your child's account. And then that's pretty much it. I know the classrooms are letting you sign up for your CEP, where you would sign up online, and then that would help us keep our lunches for free next year.
Hello, I'm Katrina, and I'm with Hope Academy for Kids. We're an after-school program where the kids come one day a week. From New Highland, they actually come on Wednesdays. We feed them a snack, help them with all aspects of their academics, homework, library, computers, feed them supper, do a faith-based lesson, and then do transportation home. So we hope to see you guys there.
My name is Maggie Peak, and I'm with Girl Scouts of Kentuckiana, and we're here tonight to get Girl Scouts, or to get girls to join Girl Scouts tonight. We have tons of fun stuff that girls can do, from building campfires and roasting marshmallows, and building robots and rockets, and doing all sorts of STEAM projects. And of course, we love Girl Scout cookies, so Girl Scouts can participate in the largest girl-led entrepreneurship program in the world. So we hope you all are interested in becoming a Girl Scout. Girls can start joining in grade kindergarten and all the way up to 12th grade. And of course, we're always welcoming and accepting new volunteers to help us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sherry, and I'm here at New Highland with the School Bus Drivers Transportation Department, and we are set up for all the parents to learn their children's new buses, bus routes, and we are here to help you with anything that you need. See you Thursday.
Hi, I'm Miss Smith. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator at New Highland. I'm so excited for everyone to welcome back to a new school year. We got some fun family activities planned. Small groups will be coming back. Just lots of fun this year, learning, and just some surprises too. So be ready, bull pups, because we're ready for you.